2025 Mercedes-Benz GLS. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Fall in love with its many extra features, which include the following: automatic parking, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.